Hello everyone and welcome to Rainbow Kids Club. Today I'm going to draw with my little girl. She is 4 years old and she's a wonderful, wonderful artist. And we're going to draw a really funny drawing. We're going to draw a boxing
banana.
Yeah. So how do we start? First of all, we're going to start from almost at the top of the page. We're going to do the top of the banana is always quite skinny, isn't it? So skinny and then wide. Okay, so we're going to do something like this, okay? You want to have a look at what I'm doing first? And then you're going to go like this. And then you're going to go like this. Okay? Very good. Then we're going to go down like that. And then we're going to go like this. Yeah, that's it. Mine's a bit funny, isn't it? Mine's funny. Mine's a funny one too.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go and draw the line through the middle. And then we're gonna go like this.
Done.
Go through the middle of the banana.
Is it shining? Like shining?
Then we're gonna do two googly eyes.
Cute. Can we do cute? Can we do either? Mama, can we do either?
Yeah.
And I love doing cute eyes. So, oh, the eyes are so cute. Can we do a nose?
Yeah, you can do a nose.
And a mouth with an eye. We always do animals.
Mine's gonna be have a funny expression
What?
on his face. And then he's not going to be a happy banana. He's going to be a little bit of a grumpy banana.
A drowsy banana?
Like that, yeah? And then he's a boxing banana, right?
A ballsy banana.
We got to put boxing gloves on him. So we're going to do little arms. We'll do one arm here. Like that. You did two little sticks sticking out. Yeah. And then we're going to do this little bit here. You want to watch? Like that. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. And then we're going to do a thumb. We're going to do a thumb. And then we're going to go around like that. So there's your little boxing glove. Very good. And then we're going to do his other arm.
Is it over here?
This way.
I did tiny little twigs like yours.
We're going to go like this.
But it's a big one.
And then we're going to go like
See
that.
eyes.
Two little boxing gloves. And he's kind of like, hey, I'm ready.
The box your head off.
Hey. Then we're going to go.
Look how cute mine is. Like a one on Skobowski. I said Skobowski.
And we're going to do this, like that.
Why is it like a plunger? Like a plunger. Why is it like a plunger?
Oh, it's got really big feet.
It looks like boots.
Yeah, he's got boxing boots. And I think I made his feet a little bit big, but it's okay. As long as you're having fun. And there's my grumpy little boxing banana. Now all I gotta do is color him in. Is he fun? So now let's color him in. So
I did
am
also
going
some
to-
socks. I did some socks too. Oh, giant one. Let me see.
And voila!
Here's my tiny banana and it has pink painted its nose red.
Yeah, and what's it doing? Is it punching a boxing bag?
Yeah, and you know why there's one eye? Because it's facing
The boxing bag.
it's facing the boxing
Well
bag.
done, love
And
it.
then I still have something that I want to do.
Ooh, what is that?
No, it's a bandage because
Oh,
the boxing ball, because on its eye, because the boxing ball has hit its eye.
Oh, very pretty.
Thank you for watching Rainbow Kids Club.